welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a really fun recipe for Funfetti Cookies. These are vanilla cookies with sprinkles in them, and they are absolutely delicious. So let's get started. We start out with our ingredients. We need 2.5 cups or 310 grams of flour, half a teaspoon salt, 3/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1 cup or 250 grams of butter, 1 1/4 cup or 250 grams of sugar, 2 eggs, 1 1/2 teaspoons vanilla extract or 1 1/2 tablespoons vanilla sugar, 4 tablespoons rainbow sprinkles. In a large mixing bowl, cream the butter, beat in sugar and vanilla. Beat in eggs. Add salt and baking soda. Stir in flour. Use a rubber spatula to scrape the bowl. Fold in sprinkles. Roll dough into balls and gently flatten and place on a lined baking sheet. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. These cookies are light and fluffy. I love the bits of color. It's subtle and sweet. If you want something less subtle, you can use more sprinkles. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.weebly.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.